It is 8:47 a.m. I'm hitting the road, leaving U.S. Air Force Academy, heading north to Nebraska. This is the earliest I've left in the morning since I started the trip. It's gonna be a good day. Hours on the road. I haven't made a turn other than getting off the highway just now in about the last hour. I miss the mountains. Alright, so let me show you something really exciting I just found. Some would like to lock me up. About 5 hours into my day. The wind is really kicking the crap out of me. The wind is really bad. Well, today sucked. I was on the road for like 11 hours, covered just under 600 miles. I've arrived at Offutt Air Force Base for the night. I won't tell you what that function is, even though you can find out pretty easily. I still don't want to put it out there what the mission is here. Iowa, marginally less horrible than Nebraska. I don't mean to judge the whole state, I just mean traveling in June on the highway. It's like 95 degrees. Windy like you read about, and just straight and miserable. Just like highway thief, they keep their egos in a pouch. They sleep well on a burning. My planned detour through Canada may have been a mistake. About 15 minutes in, I'm like 100 yards from the gate, but it's 5, 10, 15 minutes per car to go through and do whatever ridiculous thing has to be done to get into Canada. Been in Canada for a minute now. I'm not gonna lie, feels an awful lot like Nebraska. Made it to Niagara. The Canadian side is kind of like if you put giant waterfalls in the middle of Las Vegas. The American side is kind of like if you put giant waterfall in the middle of Detroit and built up, but also like almost entirely abandoned. It's a very weird juxtaposition. So these are the falls. Those are Horseshoe Falls. That's Canadian Disneyland. And these are all the people. Then if you go like 20 feet that way, it's full on, straight up, please don't shoot me ghetto. I'm gonna go try to get on one of those boats. Alright, tickets to the Maid of the Mist were surprisingly easy to get.
I could try another job. I could learn another skill.
Not very misty.
But it's all the same to me, and I don't feel like working. I don't want to work for a grocery store. I don't want to work for a grocery store. I don't want to sell groceries no more. I don't want to work for a grocery store. I don't want to work for a grocery store. I don't want to sell groceries no more.
Fresh water.
I don't like to get up early. In fact, I'd rather be home. But I'm here to make a living.
There sure are a lot of people crossing over from Canada into America. Maybe it's time we built a wall. Niagara Falls, not bad. Horseshoe Falls, a little better. Still not as good as like the 4th best falls in Iceland, but you know, for North America, pretty good.